To fix no internet secured error on Windows 11 related to Wi-Fi, first you need to check the proxy setting. Click on Start, open Settings. On the left hand side, select Network and Internet. Scroll it down, select Proxy. Make sure this option is off and check the manual proxy settings and turn it off. Then click on Save. Next, we need to check IP address on IPv4. For that, right-click on Start, select Run, type ncpa.cpl, then press Enter. Here, you will see your Wi-Fi network. Right-click on it, then select Properties. Here, you need to make sure this option is checked, then click on Properties. From here, select Obtain an IP address automatically. Do the same for obtain a DNS server address automatically. Then click on OK. Afterward, check your internet. Here you can see it's showing connected and secured. If these options do not work for you, then click in Search, type CMD, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Here, you need to type the following command I'm showing you on your screen. You have to type it one by one. I have mentioned these commands in the description. From there you can copy paste in here. Make sure to run all these commands. Afterwards, simply you have to restart your PC and hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.